OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.2 FM.
You done it before, and you do it again. You done it before, and you do it again. You done it before, and you do it again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Done it before, you do it again. Hey. Come on, y'all. Bachelor Mafia. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Hey. On behalf of my good self and my wife, Mrs. Mensa, Yensan Bonu Ebim. Oh, now Yenfande Radiase. Yes. Mensha danka sabebre. Masema me pesa meka nyina e wo nwwe mu. Me wa dance die. Na ma dance die me kasa me kan sesi ya o program so me hu say de mensha say. For that beautiful thing. Hey, Radi, I am a man. Intimidating na. Ebe sa enwum ya. Na me no wife ya to na dey share Radi din kronkron na nya. Na dey adana se. Yeah. Yes. Baby, I'm starting baby, I'm the baby. yeah, that was it. I so 29 minutes after 3. From Jerry Justice, where you feel quite so. For today, Tuesday, the 28th of September. 2 years BTCC, and I'm a smash shit. And that boys, no man pressure won't stream me on there. It's all joy now. I was a free Saturday copy of 7 minutes here, and you feel quite so. And now, quite Tuesday. Yeah, the confessions, bro. And until you get ready, and Chibi, I may activate phone lines on our friend. And then there a house, there a title, there a show, so there a dunya, there a proud. Ama ene Odwen kra ensi so onyare so won tiapo. Enso unhunu de wo ka asem ya kire no. Ene en chesa asem no memba odin kire, men ka ba bia ka se free kire. Wo de ka asem ne kire se de tie na. Asem ba ko na de bia me ka say nyame nam counselor Oscar Sripi so. You better find the solution to that problem no. Na ko ba se wo awutie me problem bia ni ho. Asem bia amaye. Bibia ye bokwa. Wo de tie radio no saa keka. Na etie nsem ahodo a amanfo de to yanim. De omo namu no. Eho akwan kire ne eho afutuo na ebeba no. Minua na wafa bi de ato kotodwem. Obra kwantu ya yetu ko yanim a yanim de de yanim yi. Ochina bibi saa ba wakwan mu a. Wahu kwan ya de befa so. Na wankoto nso hwem. Eno ano no. As that can see on come out so on the atna sinkonya OfieKwanso media so did you come out team Papa Bills Africa to James J. Cole as well. Now yeah quite anymore na yeah kai will say nay Vodafone too much business. Shares from Vodafone for Kofa Diaba Eboa Yepa Nina and said 2 businesses be and one in na ape Bibiania. So it's a business be on a different needs. And until Vodafone too much business amount the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. And they work on so bit me design wow mobile plans. And they are casa, they are testing, they are browsing, they are yeah, the open source Come on. It's say Vodafone too much business. Amount the flexibility ya between their customizer or voice, SMS, and a free data plan. Yeah, no best fit to business budget. At the amount. Then yes, or could be a babusika some so. You know what I'm saying? So now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more on your mobile package at the same price. Also signing up or send this start. That's START. Call 050-777-9000. And I'll send email vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Vodafone, together we can. And now 28th. I got just 2 days now. I kill a month now. Me pacho besi sabre se na wo pepa no se obetro SAB na also do ho share the Cadbury National and I say Cadbury Richoku National essay competition mu dia. And then pacho you have today tomorrow. So bit me and sa pepe. Obetro essay wa bra o address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. Very simple. Now, 1 million Edia call the Richoku National Essay Competition, PO Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. And yes, I'll be to me, I'll drop you there. No, away Accra Central Post Office, Afia Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlet, Accra Central, Adabraka, Malcolm Plus, North Industrial Area, Damsuman, Springtest, Madina, Tema, Ashaman, Achimota, Kisiman, East Legon, Abekan, Weja, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afienya. I say closing date for submission of entries no 30th September 2021. As I saw you will be our upper primary, junior high, and now say senior high, now all Ghana high. Unya further details are called Cadbury Richoku Facebook and our Instagram pages no. Now being all the info now here at the free hall. And then your favorite TV program now on Feni Agro. Yeah, Kyle, so bet me I enjoy our program in 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality. So we try to HD plus decoder no eson kwadia. It in patch the nearest Electroland outlet and as a multi TV dealer be a ben one. Koho oka also open HD plus decoder ibi. The feel experience. Every HD plus decoder be able to be so activating our brow dial star 879 hash. Now for waffle prompt to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. Now after the free trial period so cost one now dial star 879 hash. Now I subscribe for either 1 week, 2 months, and now say 1 month, and I say 3 months, and now 12 months packages now. Yeah, and only 7 cities, 25 cities, 60 cities, and then 210 cities respectively. Or multi TV decoder and be dada. Auto HD plus decoder and who nyas or cycle pay a satellite dish for dada noa. Fabos wa. It is now 35 after 3. 3 p.m. here, best in Jumia daily flash sales no happen here. So watch out tomorrow. Your daily flash sales no a bus 10 a.m. after 12 midday and at 3 p.m. every day. Yeah, we a Jumia brand festival. I shall say from the 20th of September. Yami Adom the 3rd of October. So shop all your favorite brands on Jumia and make real savings for up to 50% off. Download the Jumia app and this here. Jumia, your everyday delivered. Yeah, boy, Rem Nafe, yeah, confessions are twice this here. But before we do that, you need to refresh yourself. Yes, give yourself a treat with Puma drinks. Forward ever, backwards never. Be brave, be confident, be determined, but most of all, be joyful. Puma drinks a whole new vibe. Once in 50 pesos per. Say yeah cooler and I say orange. A whole year. I make sure say well chilled. You know what I mean? I available on major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door partner for Casa Preco Company Limited 0262 351 251. Na ye ni mu an ye kure FDI sankra to mu hwemu agya to say how be any ho African man pen paper ne sha is here 0302216561 0302216562 Pacho bet me our friend wa ba dwumadi enso sesi a confessions and ye the ebrewo ofra membo din chen baby akasa free so men kan chen just go straight to the point and tell us what the problem is na yen hwe ekwan ya betimi afa so aboa a free side problem no emo. But quickly, Shan say a GCB Bank Limited, a BA new branch at the amount man for what tema community 25 in the environs. Canena South Fonina just on Marco Central University, Honoma Sana, on what minute GCB Bank ready a year a guitar home. And a BA branch go at the amount tema community 25 for a war a year tema. Community 25 shopping mall no muwa and I'll be who's a new branch. The same thing is the same there. There work a Central University hono. Omobe operate and not as an agency. I no bemba be provided services for the university community. Timotion so sa name general public name mo makani nyina ne there. Obi amfa na nchim ewe tema. Community 25 shopping mall hono. Hono be who the new GCB Bank Limited omo branch for Ayatema Community 25. It's all the banking services in now. Yeah, you need now on kama pa. And I feel so yeah, alternate channels no. Say internet banking, ATMs, GCB mobile banking, NFA G money no. Ni na so ejina mu a obetimi ayusu and also for any customer related inquiries be on phrase 0800 422 422. Na yen sort you out kama. Yes, I send email fafa customer service at gcb.com.gh and I'll be to me so I send a WhatsApp message at the phone number we say so 0202 422 422. Obey me afraid GCB Community 25 branch as well 059 691 5573. GCB, your bank for life. I feel you shall fa calls no na and their confessions. Yen share and some how do more a day dying a word you may do soon afi a home mwebia as I say a day a bomb be answer no and also yet to me a day abremo pepe. Yan find Chemo Sham Emma Auntie Lizzie. Afe Janelle. Hey, W. Debbie. We dem say Jane and Gasapa. Jane pa. Afe Sister Salome. Frida. Efia. Munina mo La Paz Market. Itu chama mo we chichamo. Omuti edwumadi ne meye feme yakono nyame hyabu na omubi no se gui abusu ya fa course no na ya hwe ene problems outdoor ya omanfo enso ede bedan yen na ni nyina mu no counselor enso ebamu a ya hwe emwa obetimi ede aboa ede afasa ohawa ahodo a omanfo ede edan ye ehun eti ubetimi afresi si a 0302 216 561 and our 0302 216 hello sorry you're losing our line so you try for hello too bad mo check line Aisha hello
good afternoon.
Yes, afternoon at the same
Adom.
Good. Me pacho.
Right.
Yentie won come out na mwe why?
Yo, congratulations for the 2 years.
Yo, me da say.
Okay, me problem no ye. Me ma me wo hu. Asam na waka tell
And yes, can some
be ebeje na ware.
Obi beje o ma me aware.
Me ma me aware. But it's here but you only say me ma me no still oni obema na ti ekuro ba akumu. Na dia ewo mu ni say menua ade ne ba betena ne stepmother ne nchen aya me papa nchen but ya for so say me mama betumi de like dia papa na ye no e dia ache mama no but ya untimi de say you say dia ya ba indicas cancer betena my advice kaka say dia ya approach na
okay so me bawo oni pa ko na oje o mama aware no I say o mama won home na sepo a wontimi fa nche no is that not it
omo mi enu nyina oni papa ne mama ni nyina
chese na ya mo papa
okay ono ye me step ono ti ya me step father
e am fan say o mama ne former husband
thank you
ene oni pa ko na obeji ni fi ni nsem no
thank you
o mama gusu ne omo issue chese bitterness na ho ne ye and more person
30 years you say you last one kura e wo last one ni papa na ba kura 30 years wa worry but still me ma me ntimi fenche enti the ama me frɛ kura suggest this Sunday no hu say ne nana no e me nua ne ba no aba be twem me ma me fie oba wa amba fie ho no twem na okoto no kwanso na ka kira akwala ni say mo mfrɛ ni say e ne nana bie mu kura na no nti ofrɛ me ka kyerɛ na me te da bi akwala ndi mo nka nkyerɛ ni sa nti say ye hu say de e be ye no
I just say bitterness level no yet serious pa. Okay, you had better counseling. Why?
Me fashion you. Me does.
All right. Okay. Yeah, some more. Let's also now your next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
At the same in your bar.
But you know so.
Nyamia don't miss me home a pa. But you ain't what's a madam.
But master me uncle. And I was my mail papa. And say, yeah, I measure me one, but do the two I'm doing. And say, me, I'm a branch there or so. And say, I'm a woman, I didn't say, I'm a male, or I'm a mother, my uncle. Say, number who is you have ever born me.
Me pacho sister. Hello.
Baba.
Yanti an wasi ye kakra. Be man no kan mamre anti chese obeware wo your ho ade.
Obe no kakra ba unye.
Enti enfa say.
Obe yi se na se no be bisa amase.
One wo na wonyem ye no. Ena obeyi nanim se oyo no anti no obeware ho.
But
wanya ware ho.
But David. Come in the wall.
Eba ugusu ne net sisi yi.
But he said I said be see am say organie on me hu no.
Enti o de akwala no so wen.
Oh me see
Ena aware na nya maso na be ma ne ko.
Me be yare ye. Ena be fo me busen for point say me yare. Ena mo ka say on sa me yare. Ena o say me ya mumu na me nso me mbwa bi. Nti be man be ye bia yare ne nko me ni efra. Be man de me tie sa me ni na mbie. Ena no so say wa bre ena so dwane say de me di abome. Ama konfu abawi aye sare amase ayedi akola nso wa Susan Pamno ka senya ye gidi
these things
the same amount mo wa the be beda ye ni bi
Papa Bills Papa asem we just a wo hwe na wo di muduma why ma African fa call no ba chiro na Papa Bills ne nkasa why na Papa the ben say wo de me no be din combat eni ni nkomo na agini details na actually no de enhwe de be why because we know say the okay yi de I say bosumi ye ya sun eden a yakatua na ye nko na bedi de ayi de eden but number because we know enye yi bia ye be kan ya gie futu na fi councilor house ahwe say de ode afa yi but yana issues of this nature no no some way but nyame so amayen adoma chede bi amen no sometimes a band say na who said the bear meet me who said this is real and this is not nafi the SSA and yeah so we'll do something and then later on say if that's the situation the bear found at least kakra bit me the aboa na ya the aboa yen trust. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
About your at say.
Okay.
Wait. Yenti was a madam.
Brother.
The patron online a very terrible pa.
Hello.
Yes,
Patron. Let's see it now. Them on the bama local. This is the thing my say. This is the man of the this or young one, the name I have. If you can see, connect that, and I'm catching you, that's not this or young one, I'm gonna mamma and I'll say, let me say, or no better,
or say there be online no break it or say so be prince so dey also be prince so ma no akọ ene obi akoda na say
this end the 19 or you be for akoda na say this mobile be ye na wa be ye even to me just na me get to council because some of them is say me why you ready me want they make kind of no to visit or no pop me da so you ready.
Wow. Okay, yate why?
Yeah.
Yate the better council him.
I say I'm done.
This is strange. It is oh my man here the any my me go fire baby to say yeah ready. Boys they do things so. Anyway, Africa you're for beautiful. You're for beautiful. Hello.
Hello, Pacho, good evening.
Yes, madam.
Pacho, Adom, Raja, Grace. Sorry. The Pacho, my program on a comma Adom. FM. Nipa ucho yeti Adom FM. 70 years near me. It's ye. Nipa ucho ha me pa. Send the amount for if you Adom FM or me pa ucho bebre. Se bibi wo no ma yen papa. Kwesichumo. Also, but you say name it say obi for fraba on my needs. Anofa. Se be me ya say obebo be popular. Or be station. Some trouble, be a woman in see my domain, so be a woman ma. On to me, Kawanum now. One shit, na myself my young way.
Aya, Mama, Makuma, and Yamu Yabi, why? Aya, Mama, Kuma, Yamu Yabi, be a bear fine. And now, we ask no. I said, we ready. Papa Bills, what you always say. I dare know there's a Nippon word you man, Unipano, or Castle Bequa, Opa, for magic chalk sign home. Stay out, what I say. And no more bets now, on bets now. And one year, because you want Yeri, and you saw no even be no beco. What I say, no crave pa, and say, a bunny media or Ghana, Hano. What I say, the best media organization in there, and no any. Aha, emuye pa. Open media organization. Oh, a well structured, papa, be professionalism. Wa, aya, Nemuno. Say, we are Snana. I'm for this guy that microphone. And what are you? I say, you can be brave. This I'm big. I have my mama come and we have a oh man, I can't help it. I am mommy for last call, and I said, hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And is Mama?
Yeah, me cry me Juma or me. How you, Papa? Happy them for me problem.
Okay.
Me no one. Me woda. And I mempe oba wawo. A month for say adenti. And I mempe oba wawo.
Ah, what's it on pro bow?
That be mempe cry because me woda. Yes, because worry, I me worry will be our own woda. And no any problem. Obia can once and say the army and yes.
Ah, Obi Ben, Obi now say a own our bra.
Exactly. To me, who says I did bonio into a month for canon. So me me or bow, why would you mean penny that? Well,
it is a say no, a moody and our person,
the councillor say, the army person will say, is it bad? Say me worry, say me cafe me worry, Obia. Why would I now? But then I'm for canon,
why? Mufako be a maybe why, and some way. Yane Councillor Antwaso. Now, hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Councillor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nyame Adom, pa, bia kama pa. Na, and some na hard drink a crania there, but Abranti and Casas is here, meaning that I was so good. I was in the end say, on person be worry about our water because on no water. Now, because of this, no, I'm on for Yannick TMs and the community in India. On your Bishiana later finance be on Ipano or Bapia, not as a Wajano, not our Omokekania, the auntie. Or person who say, we know is there something bad, so what take such a decision? Anna?
It don't make possible. Madame, you were your friend Nana.
Okay.
Last week, you know, the birthday. Last week,
okay.
But because Yamba
sure.
Maintain the manipulated birthday.
Yamishano.
Or you papa.
Amen.
And me catch you on your mouth or Ghana. I have no idea. Go team. Yamishano. When they met to one of my canning or your man. Madame Papa. Nana.
Amen. Good.
Oko warrior. You must go for what you want, what you believe in.
Sure.
Simple. So busy on Popia, Wawoda, on your bonnet. Or before Popia, Wawoda, on the senior bonnet.
Sure.
simple. Obi wo ho a oso no ompe oba bema bini na dada. Nti onu nam no bi bema no bi adada, you move on.
Okay.
Obi ani di obe. Oba bi so wo ho a oso ompe bema onu bi anantida. Obi so wo ho oso ompe obi onu bi anantida because ompe so obi a ek beba be hanu. Nti obi ani di obe. So the open no only a bonnie. It doesn't matter what people are saying. You don't succumb to what people are saying because almost you see the own phobia or and and that's what I said by saying or see on phobia or on your bonnie. On gas will be a wood I or in bonnie. He has not said that Obia would in bonnie. All he's saying is that on to me new be our wood and that.
Yeah.
And I can't say Obisu or a bema. Bell bar bema being a dada. Or a veggie. Onya.
Sure.
So allow people to do what they want to do. Other than that, people hear the Obi car. Your beliefs in life, you know. What better be? Not compromising because somebody is saying something, and that's the problem of some of the marriages. Oh, Madame Popo, you say, Madame Popo, you know why Bema what to car? Now you be sure on to car that, but sometimes no. Nankupo the show. You both say, no, no, be sure on the car. Maybe you believe that. Money the best from the scratch. Obisu on you the one here, they will influence your decision. I'm not saying say Obi Watoka in Baboni, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that go for what you believe in, because you're going to spend the rest of your life with the person. One yes, sir, and you compromise your belief. Nama of this take this decision in my I feel don't worry Nipano. Now down now Guinea. That's it. So on your money or say no. Wondering what will be our order. Because he doesn't want to become a stepfather. Because what will be our order no automatically no you become a step parent. You're not ready. And the on can say that's not what we are saying. But let people marry what they believe in. So that when you marry, you'll be happy. Because one of the reasons one year you compromise and then you go for somebody one can say who believes in your beliefs, no. Won't do what is any family. Obi I went delay. Now go your own. Let me precise but this is my to be a baby. I'm a fan. Ophobia so no why na problem you can't complain. On your bonnie. More mama from pressure. Obia and the Obi pressure while Obi or media space no. Obi some pressure. Obi was a footballer, Obi on pressure. Obi on popular. Obi so Obi popular. Let's leave people to make their decision. He doesn't want to become a step parent. Because who did he grow? Now you're ready psychologically. No go worry big our war. And you become a step parent once in a year, only handle. So please. Mama would done. Come on here, Bonnie. You have not done any wrong. But to be so and our warrior, we shouldn't even know anything.
All right.
We should be our warrior. We should bless it a moment.
Okay. The next one, no, Abai just said, only Bama be a shia. Omo ya na omo enya de ompewia na chese no ano no awale ne maso.
Enye sa no.
Oh, say ka me pesa me kata ho kakra. Chese.
Amen kata ho. Confession kata no mo do.
Okay, say oni me amani shia. Omo ne da.
Aha.
Enti omo ne da wi a ase omo enya de ompewia enti omo apia wa ne mba so bi. Ena we decide say oma obema bia ne ne bi mti say wo ye bema na oba o pese wo ne tena de ne ye ne ho ade wi na ansa na one na da Enti enum na wahia abrante bi na ode saa asemi tu nanim no abrante nso so apne so agobe wan no mum de na mum no se one ne na no obepne so no no abrante no so no se opeso ne oba da gewe nyeni ti no anka one obi fufuro akoda saa na time no so no be wan na oye ne ho ade de na wagyae no ne nko a na no se ha na adwene kakra se ho no onte ase
madam teacher mawo na me shiraw nipa de wo bo brown no mo se de wo ye na nya
what's the same
no sim it is not too late to do the right thing. I want to say it again because if you are home only member da it will be not like oh at the end of na me person me preserve me home and na me no be quarter and things you are teaching. You don't do that. It is not too late to do the right thing. It is never too late. The madam is too amount. Don't open your legs for any man to the day of worry. If because of that you marry her, so be it. Own your car, you know. Or say the guy is stupid. Or say one person me no better dia. Mami kwai.
Na me no guess na koda.
You are no maba. That guy should bother instead is shame. The opposite catch me say, "Tell me what you here? Now on him. Now doctor say me bound here. I'll go to another place." That guy has no self-control. But don't cheat me out. And they to solve that relationship. That is useless. And on that I say no can say, "Oh, person me that worry me." You don't say that. One shame year, obi you say worry to bait you out. One word asan. Obi person no down. No means of person no down. Obi nya worry no down. Obi obi down. Obi obi frustrate you. You can say worry no mu. Untie ni ye. So give me for person no down. Okay. Now say so person no me da worry me ah. Obi nya worry. Obi share that worry. No other. We want to frustrate you. We say no because you are worrying. Your person is account. It's not the same thing.
Yeah.
Into you be na mo. Men can say o prefer on me da or worry me. No. Yeri. So yeah, worry no. You need you mudana.
Oh fine.
Into when you marry, automatically you have sex.
Yeah.
But don't let somebody use sex to take you into marriage. They make us the most in Asia. One of the benefits say, you better. Better. But the say, worry me, that dia, worry me. What we are saying is that, and now we're into the bow, the person know that. And in marriage, you know, and every day on the better no Canada. Madam, don't ever say that to any man. Hold on to yourself. Decision now what taking. I support you 1,000%, but never made that statement. Say, "Oh, person me da for worry me." No, after that guy, and then I did better know. Run away from such a person. To say, "Oh, you mean that?" Person me no be koda. Time in this one, useless talk.
Great,
madam. Okay, you have done very well, Mr. Mao. Move away. Pray. I can tell you, the right man will come your way. After that guy, and they
and then
one Johnny now Diagra he's looking for sex.
Okay.
And you have seen that your problem is that they want to sleep with you, and then you're not with you, guy. Useless talk.
The other woman or a situation there, my mama, papa, and Nakasa, a person. Yɛhwɛ deɛ ɛbɛyɛ deɛ afa nti deɛ no deɛ yɛmfɛ no nsuo na sɛ deɛ ayɛ no deɛ
and I'm catching one day madam know US Nana. I'll tell you what he's doing for people in Ghana.
Yeah.
There are people who are helping people, a lot of people in Ghana. But the name is
Sure.
Because I'm person so that's why I'm kept quiet. I mean, not green light now talk about.
Sure.
But God bless you.
Amen.
It's about money.
Yeah.
We are asking our listeners. If not say listeners, don't say apart from the council now, we are also helping people. So they must be helping the system.
Sure. But now, the sorry, so no.
Yeah, more nipa time or tia sasisoa.
No cre.
I'm not for yamwa. There's anybody who we are. No, I'm not interested in that. That's how people watch their life. Obi wa at the nation, you don't Juma. At that kind of one Juma, you want to watch their ear. Dead bodies, they don't eat. Living people, they eat.
Okay. And the final one, no. Abranti HSE for over 30 years now, no. Ne mame elusu ni marriage to oba fufuro bi a obeje na ware fi ni nsam. Na ehho ya oni nti no. Ama one the former husband no enkasa. Na utimi say bitterness or what incident no serious. Same way oba ko no obeje ni kunu no so no sa. Ama edu ba bi kura na ebitimi cut down to nkrofo me associated with san nkrofo no. Omo try to maamene for asenka by now de ba bi adu de. Efie aduasa pa besen ko de. Anka ja bibia fi wakomom na etna oba bi, but I say maame no can't let go. I would say she's still holding on to sa pain no na bitterness. Nti no pese omo enya help kakra from you as to how they can help the mother to let go, to forget about everything that happened over 30 years ago.
Behind me.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You need a professional help.
Sure.
And I'm happy someone can see a moon yambwa. Me counseling through them. It's not about them.
Yeah.
What the Miaka it's only to me there. Almost means I between Mamina Kasa. I can meet the woman one-on-one. You said Mishia Yamiadum. She move on because one thing here, that's how for the rest of the life. And sometimes depending on the way I get it, you know. Oh, BBC, it's issue of you know, it's not the best approach. It's not the best approach. There are ways, and the one in the paper casa de one. And two of us like with them. And it's so the woman needs help. I'm on